Enteekateeka y'okusunsulamu abali mu kuvuganya ku bifo eby'enjawulo ku kaada ya National Unity Platform eya Kampala ne Wakiso districts tuzogera kuba zezisinza n'abalonzi mu ggwanga zibuzigatta nga disitulikiti y'e Kampala na disitulikiti ya Wakiso zezisinga abalonzi mu ggwanga so tuzibaamu n'ekyama esolwaki tuziwadde obudde obungi bwe buti tubale bakandidate simuyinza okwebuuza lwaki Kampala ne Wakiso naye tulina essanyu bategeeza kyakawungezi ka leero tubeera kuba tumaliriza Kampala ne Wakiso. Olunaku lw'enkya tubeera kweteekateeka ate okugenda mu ggwanga lyonna okwetooloola kyova olaba owa Eastern waali, owa Western waali, owa Northern waali, owa Buganda waali ne mukama waffe Chairperson ono.
Eno ye Magala TV, okumanya we kutandikira.
Ne Buganda olw'enjala wakuteekateeka na kutambula. Lunaku olwokutaano Friday tugenda mu Gweta Masaka. Nsaba abantu baffe abagweta Masaka tubeerye mutukula ku booda Kalangala, Masaka, Lwengo, Bukomansimbi mumanyite olunaku lwaffe lwa Friday. Nja kujja n'abakiiko ebyokulonda buli omu tumuwulirize mu bwesimbu, mu bulambulukufu era mu bukkakkamu obulungi. Mujje ne national ID zammwe, mujje ne membership card y'ekibiina, ebikakasa nti muli bannakibiina era mukakase nti muli bannayuganda ddala. Ku lw'omukaaga aba Buganda tugenda mu Gweta Mpigi. Abagweta Mpigi tujja kubeera Mpigi ku Sub-Regional Office yaffe. Ntulindirire tujja kuba tulinawo Gomba, tulinawo Butambala ne Mpigi District Sub-Region eyo. Lero tuvuddeyo ku Sunday tugende Mukono. Mukono mugimanyi bulungi, eri mu Mukono, Buvuma, Buyikwe ne Mukono yennyini nga district Kayunga. Abantu tubasuubira okubeera e Mukono ku lunaku olwo olwa Sunday. Tujja genda Greater Mubende omuli Kasanda, Emityana, Mubende. Tubasuubira okubeera Emityana we tujja okutuula. Tubasaba mweteeketeeke bulungi mujje. Mu Buganda tujja kumaliriza ne Gweta Luweero omuli Nakasongola, Luweero district ne Nakaseke. So Uganda ejja kuba nga ebeddeyo olwo ku bifo bya local government Chairperson 063 bakansalazi abagenda ku district, bakansalazi abagenda ku magombolola n'aba municipalities gye ziri bebe tugenda okuvetinga mu sub-region zezo muwulidde. Tusaba naffe bakwano gyaffe bannakibiina bannabyeteeketeeke tujja ate mbere n'empisa era mbere bantu balamu nga Kampala ne Wakiso bwebadde. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala. So muzikirize bakwase Northern Uganda ate naye ababuulire ajja kwogerako mu luzungu lutono then babuulire olwewammwe obutuufu bawulire ensonga zaabwe.
Thank you once again. I'm Patrick Lowe, Commissioner Northern Uganda. Yes, we are closing with the Kampala and Wakiso, and therefore we are moving now to the different regions. So for Northern Uganda, we are beginning on Friday the 8th, and we shall begin with the West Nile sub-region on the 8th, 9th and 10th. We shall begin with the Mali Belt, that is Adjumani, Moyo, Ubongi. Then we move to Lugwara Belt, from Yumbe, Maracha Terego, Arua and Arua City. Then we shall conclude with the Lulu Belt, which is Mayokolo, Nebi Zongo, and Apache. And then there will be another team handling a Acholi sub-region on the 9th and 10th, and then Lango sub-region on the 11th and 12th. And then we shall also proceed to Karamoja. The team will go to Karamoja and begin work there on the 11th, the 13th. And this is the targeting lower local government of councillor LC3 chairpersons and district councillors, and also for the municipalities which are there, like Moroto, Kitgum, Nebi. We shall also have division mayors or every three chairpersons of the divisions also vetted. So that's how the program will run. It will take about 6 days. Then we shall resume the vetting of district chairpersons, municipal mayors, and city mayors. Thank you very much.
Onaddako yakulya Western Region.
Abantu ba Western Region mwena nimbalamusya omwizina lya NUP kandi ninyenda kubamanyisa ngu tuyire mu vetting secretariat tukuveting abantu ba Wakiso na Kampala mwene lizo twabahendera olunaku lwa kataano ntuza kuvetinga omu sub-regions zitwe za Western Region. Omunana ntuza kutandika na Ankole sub-region aitwana turashitamire tuza kubanza na Greater Mbarara district zirimu Greater Mbarara nemushanju ntuza kuba tushitamye ali Mbarara City, then Greater Bushenyi ntuza kuba turi muri Bushenyi, then tushumo rwa mukaaga ebiro mwenda tuzo muri Kigezi sub-region ntuza kuba turi muri Kabale na Rukungiri, then olunaku lwa Sande ebiri 10 tuza kuba turi Rwenzori sub-region ejo niye mu Kasese tuza kuba turi Kasese na Bundu Bujo, then tushume orwo kubanze ebiri 11 tuze Toro sub-region tuza kuba turi muri Fort Portal City, then orwa kabiri ebiri 12 tuza kuba turi Bunyoro West ejo niye kutwara district za Bunyoro West tuza kuba turi muri Hoima City, then orwa kashatu ebiri 13 tuza kuba turi Bunyoro East nayo ine mu districts zayo kandi tuza kuba turi muri Masindi. Twe n'abantu ba Western Region nimbamanyisa ngo tukume ihorere tutakareta ujagararo ninga tutakateganisibwa nkoko mugureba abantu ba Kampala kubakitwarize nanimbashaba ngutwena ayitwarangirira mube muriyo omugwire kugira ngo tukore vetting abo kuba okwehandikisa mu Electoral Commission ya Justice byabakama nebiro 3 na nebiro 2. So ntwenda by that time vetting ya local government ebe yawire, so nichikukakataho kwijana kadi yawe y'ekibina ndangamuntu yawe empapura zawe zona zitebekaniseje waza kwijo mu vetting na ningushaba munyaburawe oije nazo nimbaherezo butumwa obu nka commissioner wa Western Region wa NUP ngwito abantu ba NUP tutwine buzibu nk'ekibina kandi ebintu bitu tubikora biri mu mateka utakagira kutina utakagira kuhinza mutima yijane bintu byawe aha umucanga cyawe ngo kunabirangira mu district seze nagamba tubakoreho tubitucheze then tugaruka secretariat buri mwari kumanya ngo yatunga kadi ningati yagitunga tuzo mu karuru ka protest vote mwebare munonga.
My name is Achoka Egesa Freddy, the Commissioner in charge of Eastern Uganda. We are concluding the vetting exercise of Kampala and Wakiso districts, and we are going to move to the Eastern region. We are going to start on the 8th with the Soroti, that is Teso sub-region. In Teso sub-region, we have the districts of Kumi, Serere, Soroti, and the neighboring Teso areas. And then on that very day, in the afternoon, we shall be moving to Sebei sub-region. The Sebei sub-region shall meet at Kapshorwa, where we shall have handled the districts of Kweni, Bukwo, and the Kapshorwa itself. The following day, on the 9th, we shall be handling Bugisu sub-region, and we shall be at the NUP offices in Mbale City, where we shall handle the districts of Mbale, Bududa, Manafa, and other districts within the sub-region. Then on the 10th, which is the following day, we shall be handling Bukedi sub-region. And the Bukedi sub-region shall be at Busia NUP offices. And Bukedi sub-region, we shall be looking at Tororo, shall be looking at Busia itself, shall look at Butaleja, we shall look at Kibuku, and all the other districts that fall within the Bukedi sub-region. And then on the 11th, which is Monday, we shall be handling Busoga. Busoga's sub-region, we shall be at Jinja City NUP offices. And in the Busoga sub-regions, we shall cater for districts of Kamuri, Jinja, we shall look at Namaingo, we shall look at Bugiri, Idanga, and parts of the islands that fall under Busoga sub-region. All the vetting exercise shall start at 9, and all councillors to the sub-counties, LOC3s and the sub-counties, and the councillors, the districts, and the relevant officers who are going to be voted should be coming with the necessary documents, which only include our party cards, our expression of interest form, national identity card, and any relevant document, if any, for those who shall prefer to carry them. We shall do a very good exercise, and we should come in time.
Yes, the chair can add on a few things, then we wind up.
First, I want to thank members of the press for being with us throughout the entire process. This process started on the 28th of July and Kampala and winding up Wakiso district. So from there, you've had the regional commissioners have told you, so we shall be handling these different regions concurrently as the team of Western is also operating on the same days. It will be happening in Eastern Uganda, Western, and also Uganda. So we want to encourage also our supporters and people who are still interested in running under NUP tickets that we shall receive them. They should also use that opportunity that the commissioners will be in their respective sub-regions to come in for those who have not submitted. So we are still allowing expression of interest forms, especially in those other far-end sub-regions. So I just want to tell people out there, those who have been saying NUP is only Uganda, we are going to the different regions of the country. So NUP is everywhere actually. NUP is spread all over the country. Otherwise, why would we be going for vetting in the different sub-regions if we don't have candidates? Meaning the numbers there are also overwhelming. So we have support. This time round, it's a bit different. And we are there. We are organized. We are ready for protest vote. And we shall make sure we protect our vote. Thank you so much. And as we wind up with the sub-regions, we shall also come back here and we shall communicate to you. We shall be handling the LSC 5 chairpersons. That will be from 15th. 14th, this exercise of the sub-regions will end on the 14th. Then we shall come back to the headquarters here where we are. And then we shall handle the LSC 5 chairpersons and then the city mayors. Then from 20th, that is when we shall handle the members of parliament to 27th. Thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you.
All right,
yes, sir. Just clarity about the seats you'll be vetting in different regions. Clarity. Both.
You can start with it. Okay. First of all, ekisooka atwala kukozesa omukisa guno okutegeeza ab'ebyokwerinda mu ggwanga naddala poliisi okumanya nti guno omulimu oguli mu kukolebwa guli mu mateeka. Tubadde tuvetingira ku headquarter ng'ensonga y'awano ku headquarter katugenda mu sub-regions tetusuubirayo kutaataganyizibwa konna kuva eri poliisi, kuva eri magye, kuva eri ba RDC. Tulowooza nti ensonga eno ab'ebyokwerinda mugyesambe nga Nasuru bwe yesamba nozengalo. Waba bintu bamutudde abe Masaka nemulanga babasazeeko. Tetusuubira bintu ebyo tusaba poliisi ewa obukuumi bwewa abantu abalala bonna abakola emirimu emitongole. Tekisookera ddala. Ekyokubiri, ba registrars bonna mu Uganda Twatulina ba registrars 353 buli registra tumusaba atandika okuteekateeka bakandidesi baffe era ajja bakulemberamu obatuusa ku center tugenda okuvetingira buli registra gyali yenna mu ggwanga ne ba coordinators baffe aba buli sub-region tubasaba okulaba nti buli candidate amanyi twala kuva Masaka oba Mukono gyate gundi yasigalidde yavetingiddwa. Tubasaba omulimu ogwo banyame basebe mukole. Abantu bemuleeta ku center ne bano Wammanga abesimbye ku miruka nga bagenda kugombolola abakansalazi baffe bagenda kubeera vetted. Ne banga oli ali ana opposite era akakasibwa kuzo kubeera no opposite ate nga tulina bisaanyizo no yennyini akakasibwa bulungi tugakagenda ovuganye tulaja asika meet the minimum requirements. Then ba chairpersons b'amagombola LC3 chairpersons mu Uganda yonna tugenda bavetingira mu sub-regions ezo. But LC5 councillors abagenda ku ma districts bonna bagenda kuvetingibwa ne municipality mayor ne ba councillors be ne ba division mayors. Obona kandi nyero mukungwe owa division nyero mukungwe ayina kuvetingibwa mu Masaka. So ezo categories zogenda kuvetinga kunaku z'omwezi mulidde abakulu babategeeza. Madam Chair.